Hello friends, welcome back to Calls and Puts with another video in the series of basics of stock market. So this video is all about risk and reward ratio. So many traders at beginning are confused which risk reward to be followed. Will 1:1 will be the good, 1:2 is the good, or we need to strive for 1:3. So let's quickly understand with the help of one example and considering the different scenarios, because ultimately this reward also impact the success rate. So higher the risk reward, success rate will be less. So let's quickly understand with the help of an example. I have just analyzed by keeping these parameters same. I have just analyzed how the success rate impacts. So considering the 20 trading days in each month, so sometimes it may be 19 or 21 or 22 based on the public holidays. So let's consider 20 for the age of calculation. So if we consider 70% success rate, so our winning days will be 14 and losing days will be 6. So it will be total will be 20. So mostly I'm taking only one trade each day. So that's the reason I have considered one trading day as a one trade or for the success rate calculation. So by keeping 70% success rate and this reward of 1 as to 1.5, we would be making 15,000 rupees on the capital of 10,000 within a month. So now if we reduce this success rate and target by keeping same risk reward, that is 1 as to 1.5, so success rate I have reduced from 70% to 60% and target I have reduced to 10%. So on 10,000 capital, target will be around 1,000 rupees and loss will be around 700 rupees. Use the success rate and target percentage, still we are making around 7,000 rupees in that month. So on the capital of 10,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees is almost 70% returns in a 1 month. If we make the success rate to 50%, then still we are making 3,500 rupees. So why I am doing all these calculation? Because the major mistake, at least what I understood for me, that we always strive for uh, winning trade. So most of the time we don't accept our mistake and get out from that trade, and then the result of that trade becomes the big losses. We can go back to this 70% success rate, so we are losing almost 6 days in the month, but still we are making 150% profit on our capital. And if we reduce the target and success rate, then still we are making 70% profit on our capital. So after losing 8 days or 8 trades also, still we are become profitable. And if we further reduce this success rate to 50%, so we are losing 10 days and we are winning 10 days, so still we are making 3,500 rupees in each month. So basically you need to understand that we need not require to strive to win every trade. Okay, so moving further, so if we reduce our success rate till 40%, then if you can see that the month is become break even, so we are neither in loss or neither making any profit. So I have not considered brokerage and other charges. With the success rate of 40%, so losing days are 12 and winning days are 8, but still at least we can protect our capital. Purpose of doing all this calculation is to explain that we need not require to strive every time for winning the trade or become right and prove the market that why my trade has went wrong and how my trade can went wrong. And we are still considering this reward ratio of 1 as to 1.5. So people generally follow 1 as to 2 or 1 as to 3. Initially it is better to follow 1 as to 1 or 1 as to 1.5, so it will boost our confidence to trade further, as I always told that. And suppose if we follow this 1 as to 1 and this 10% target also, then our break even will be around this 50% success rate. Every plan looks well on paper or any Excel sheet or spreadsheet, but to follow or to stick to that plan, that is important. Again, this number of losing days is also plays a very important role, because at the start of the month or at the start of the week, if you lose consistently 6 days, this 1,000 rupees, then our capital will be 4,000 rupees. With that 4,000 rupees, we would not able to trade. So major assumption in these calculations are this losing and winning days are evenly distributed in each week. So for example, for this 50% success rate, so number of losing days per month are 10 and profitable days are 10. So it can become 2 days loss in one of the week and 3 days profit in one of the week. at the start of the week or alternate days also, and in one of the week it becomes 3 days profitable and 2 days are losing days, so that way. So hope you have understood this. Okay friends, so hope you have understood this simple calculation with the example of 10k capital with risk reward of 1 as to 1.5 and 1 as to 1. So it's not necessary to follow this reward of 1 as to 2 or 1 as to 3, because as you strive for higher this reward, the success rate will be the less. But at the beginning, to boost our confidence and protecting our capital, ideal risk reward will be 1 as to 1 and 1 as to 1.5. To become successful, only one thing we need to follow is we need to follow our rules. So you need to exit as per your stop loss, as per your target, as per this risk reward or whatever strategy you will follow. And don't forget to track your trades to trading journal, because that trading journal only help you to analyze your journey over the 1 month or over the 6 month or over 1 year period, and it will help you to which risk reward and success rate and which strategy is helping you to become profitable over the period. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.